Jain students, this is your computer class. Unit test has completed. Hope all of you have done well. Now we will continue with MS Logo. What is MS Logo? What we will do? Here we will do the programming. ठीक है? Okay. So let's take a recap. Starting with logo definition. What is logo? Logo is a programming language. As you know, computer is just a hardware machine. Then how computer can work? We have to give instructions to the computer, and for that we have programming language. We will write the instructions and computer read that instructions and work accordingly. Also, you know that computer can understand only binary language. That is language of 0 and 1. So we need a simple English type language in which we can write the instructions for the computer. All that languages are called programming languages. We are learning Logo, which is a programming language. In higher class, we'll learn more programming languages like QBasic, Small Basic, Visual Basic, Python, etc. So let's have a start our class. Just a minute. Now we are going to start introduction to MS Logo. What topics we have to cover in this class? See, we will read Logo primitive. What are Logo primitive? I told you earlier that these are Logo commands. Actually, Logo is a programming language where we will draw the different figures using commands. जैसी commands हम देंगे according to it screen पे figure draw होगा. Okay? तो जो भी command हम देते हैं that is Logo primitive. Now we have Logo turtle, and then we have command like to move forward we have FD, to move backward we have BK, to turn right we have RT, to turn left we have LT, and then home command. I will show you all these commands but this is the list of all commands that you have to read in this chapter. Okay, now to clear the text we have CT, to clear the screen we have CS, use pen commands to give a break while drawing lines, then pen up, pen down, and pen erase, PE. Just have a look, take few seconds to read this, then I will move forward. Okay students, now the same thing that I told you earlier, does the computer understand the language we speak? No, computer can understand only one language, that is binary language. Which language? Binary language. Binary language is made up of 0 and 1. Okay, but we have developed some programming language in English type language, which is English type language, where we can write the programs to give instruction to the computer. Later that programs had been converted into the binary language using translator. Okay, got it? Computer can understand only binary language. Binary language is made up of 0 and 1, but it is difficult for us to write the program in the combination of 0 and 1. 0 and 1 के combination में हम program नहीं लिख सकते, तो for that we have developed some programming language. That language is made up of English type words. Okay, and numbers and some special characters that is easily understood by us. Okay, तो हमारे लिए आसान होता है to write the program in that language. Okay, got it? And further we have some translator programs that convert our language, our programs into the computer understandable language, that is in binary language. Okay, now what is Logo? Logo is a computer programming language that you know. Logo is a computer programming language. It is used to draw figures and to perform calculation, but in your syllabus we are only drawing figures using Logo commands. Okay, तो हम कमांड देंगे, कमांड के अकॉर्डिंग फिगर ड्रॉ होगा स्क्रीन पे. दैट इज द बेसिस ऑफ दिस लैंग्वेज. ओके, लोगो इज विच टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज? इंग्लिश टाइप सिंपल लैंग्वेज यूजिंग इंग्लिश वर्ड्स. जिसने अभी तक क्लास नहीं की है दैट स्टूडेंट कैन दोबारा से आप सब चीज समझो. वी विल, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट फॉलो माई इंस्ट्रक्शंस and read your course book. You can do it. And if you have still you are facing some problem, you can ask me. Now come to Logo Turtle. Logo Turtle draw lines. What Logo Turtle will do? Logo Turtle draw lines. कैसे how Logo Turtle can draw logo की main screen पे we have this turtle. तो how it can draw? It take the instructions from the user command and draw the figure according to it. Okay, and instructions are called primitives. Just see, this is called Logo Turtle. Now what is primitive? When we give any command, turtle does the action according to our command. These command are called primitive. Means जो भी instructions हम computer को देते हैं, that instruction is called primitives when we are talking in Logo. Okay, तो primitive means the commands that we are going to give turtles. Okay, now how to start Logo? जैसे आप कोई भी प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करते हो, in the same way click start button, then all programs options and then click Microsoft Window logo and select your program. See one more time. See, this is if you are using Window, then this is the place na start. Just click here, all programs are there and you have to select. This is the start. See, start is here. Just click on it. All programs are there and you have to select the logo. Okay, in this way you can start. One more thing, when you install the logo, it will create a shortcut on your desktop. Okay, and you can click on it and open the logo. Now when you open the logo, this type of window come in front of you. Just see, it's just install logo. जिसने अभी तक नहीं किया वो इंस्टॉल करो and practice on it. बेटा, it will improve your logic. Okay, and really I am telling you, you will enjoy it. Once just see the things, and when you run the commands and make the different figures ना, you really enjoy it. Okay, तो जिसने भी अभी तक नहीं किया है, just download it and install it. I have already given you the link. Again I will provide you, but just do it. Okay, this is the basic programming for you. And now this window comes in front of you. The upper window is called main window or graphic window. Okay, and the lower portion is called commander window. And where the turtle is, turtle is in main window, because this is the place where you can draw your figure, yeah, or you can say turtle will draw the figure according to your instruction. Upper is main window and lower portion is commander window. Commander window is further divided into two parts: recall list box and command input box. Okay, and here we have command button. Just see, logo screen is divided into two parts. Which part? Main screen. Upper portion is main screen and lower portion is commander window. Now see, main screen is the place where we can see our drawing. Okay, means where we can see the output of our commands. ड्राइंग कैसे बनती है? जब हम कोई कमांड लिखते हैं तो क्या है? मेन स्क्रीन इज द प्लेस वेयर वी कैन सी द आउटपुट ऑफ आवर कमांड. ओके, नाउ द लोअर पोर्शन, लोअर इज कमांडर विंडो and commander window is further divided into two parts. Which part? First is recall list box and second is command input box. Just see, command input box, what it will do? This is the bottom part. See, this is the bottom part. It is showing here by this box, command input box. This is the place where we actually write our command. Okay, and when we execute it, turtle will follow that order. Got it? When we write our command and execute it, turtle will follow that command and according to it moves or it change its position. Okay, देखो, turtle is here. Okay, whenever you write your command here in command input box, turtle will read that command and move accordingly. Okay, see, this is the command input box. Now we have recall list box. The command that we type in the bottom part of the commander display is listed in recall list box. जो भी command हम यहाँ लिखते हैं वो कहाँ listed होती है? In recall list box. This is called recall list box. See the cursor at your screen? This is called recall list box. Okay. Now you know how to open the logo. Now how to close the logo. This is very simple and one is very tricky. Just the simple one is you have seen this close button at right side, the red one, cross दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. तो this close button, just click on it and it will close the logo screen. Got it? After closing this cross button, logo screen is closed. Now one more type, that is for programmer. Just type by here where the command input box, na, just type by here, BYE by, and press enter or execute it. This will close logo screen. Got it? एक बार फिर से देख लो. The simpler way, just click on this cross button, and another way, just type by in command input box and execute it. This will close the logo screen. Now we have logo turtle. तो logo turtle के बारे में only one thing, that this is the called a robotic creature. Okay, is just move around by typing commands. स्क्रीन पे ये हमें शो होता है और जैसे जैसे कमांड हम देते हैं it will move. Okay, in this version that we are dealing, we have triangle as a logo turtle, but in some other version it may be in turtle shape, shown in the screen. See, in this way. Okay. Next we have logo screen. You know, main screen. This is main screen where we can show our output. This is commander window where we have recall list box and command input box. Next we have logo primitive. So what is logo primitive? Yes, logo commands are called logo primitive, means the instructions or commands are called logo primitive. There are more than 100 commands exist. Okay. Now when you write the command here and press enter key, what happened? Turtle logo read the command and turtle obeys the order and moves as per instructions. फिर से समझना, when you write the command in input box, whatever command, to move forward or to move backward or right turn or left turn, whatever command, whenever you write the command, logo will execute it and turtle will obey that command and move accordingly. Okay. Now one more thing, logo command can be capital or in small, both, but the thing is that there should be a blank space between the primitive and the number of steps, means there should be a blank space between the logo command and the number of steps. Okay, got it? Now let's start with forward command. Forward command, we write it with the word FD, with the letters FD. How we can write FD? अब FD is the command, तो कितने steps वो forward जाएगा, that you have to mention. तो after FD put one space and then write number of steps. So when you write FD 50, it means turtle move 50 steps forward. फिर से समझो, FD forward command, we have FD. Now अब फॉरवर्ड कितना मूव करना है, यू हैव टू टेल टर्टल ना कि आपको 100 स्टेप्स मूव करने हैं, 50 करने हैं, 60 करने हैं, 300 करने हैं, दैट यू हैव टू टेल ना. तो यू हैव टू राइट द नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू राइट FD स्पेस number of steps. Here number of steps is 50. So how can you write? You have to write FD space 50. What it will do? It will move turtle 50 steps forward. Okay? See? Now next is backward command. Next we have backward command. Backward command BK. Here it is written BK 60. As in the forward command we have to write the steps na. Same in backward command we have to write the steps, so that turtle know कितने step उसको back move करना है. Okay? तो here it is written BK 60. What it will do? It will make the turtle move in backward direction. In which direction? Backward direction, without turning its face. This is the important thing. See the turtle ने अपना face नहीं change किया ना, उसने अपनी position change कर ली only. Okay? It's change its position only. It doesn't change its face. See, FD command move turtle in forward direction, and BK command moves the turtle in backward direction without turning its face. Okay. Now we have RT. RT is used to turn right. In the same way we have LT to turn left. Okay. Now how? Just see the angle. Angle you know कितने डिग्री पर उसको मूव कराना है. ओके. तो in FD and BK we are writing number of steps. In the same way when we are writing RT and LT we have to write the angle. कितने एंगल पे मूव कराना है. ओके. तो here we are writing RT 90. What we have written? RT 90. ये क्या करेगा? It will change the turtle face 90 degree in which direction? Right direction. Okay. If I write LT 90, it will move the turtle 90 degree in left direction. See, here it is written 45 na, angle is different, but just compare it. Okay. RT 90 will turn the turtle 90 degree towards right direction. Got it? And LT 45 turns the turtle 45 degree towards left direction. Okay. Now we have 4 commands. FD to move forward, BK to move backward without turning its face, and then RT to turn in right side, LT to turn left side. You have to remember all these commands because when you are going to make any figure ना, आपको ये सब चीजें दिमाग में रखनी होगी. Then you can use these commands. ठीक है? While making any figure. Now next is home command. What home command will do? Home क्या होता है? Home is your home ना, your house. तो आप कहीं भी जाते हो you will come back to your home ना. तो ऐसे याद रखना. Home command will make the turtle appear on the center of the screen. That is the starting position. When you run the home command, it will bring back turtle at its starting position. Home turtle का घर होता है. तो whenever you write the home command, it will make the turtle appear at the center of the screen, means the starting position. जहां से turtle ने start किया था उसी position पर वापस आ जाता है when you run the home command. Okay. Now next we have HT. HT command is used to hide turtle. Suppose you have made any figure and you want to hide the turtle, then you execute this command. Which command? HT. HT command is used to hide the turtle. Whenever you execute the HT command, it will hide the turtle. Now अब टर्टल कब तक डिसअपियर रहेगा? जब तक हम उसे दोबारा से रीअपियर नहीं कराते. तो फॉर दैट वी हैव ST command. ST command will show stands for show turtle. It's a stand for show turtle. Okay. ST will make the turtle appear on the screen. This command is used only after hiding the turtle. Okay. Once you have hide the turtle, you want to show the turtle, then you have ST. So HT command is used to hide the turtle and ST command is used to show the turtle. Okay. Now we have CT command. CT command will erase the text area where command on the screen. See, we have CS command. CS command is used to clear the screen. Which screen? That you are where we have output. Okay, the main screen. Whatever figure is here, CS command will erase it. And what CT command will do? CT command will erase the total list, all the list of command given in that total recall list box. Okay, this is the difference. We have CS and we have CT. CS will clear the screen and CT will clear the list of commands. Got it? One more time, see, CS will clear the screen, output screen, and CT will clear the list of command. Now we have pen commands. Pen commands is used to draw the breaks in line. Okay, when we want to draw discontinuous lines, then we use pen commands. We have three commands, see, pen up, pen down and pen erase. But I think in brief I am going to tell you this. I will explain in next class also. See, when you want to draw a discontinuous line, okay, what you will do, आप अपना पेन अप कर लेते हो, तो that PU will do for you. What PU will do? PU command will lifts the turtle up, and उसके बाद when you write FD 100, BK 100, whatever, turtle will move but without drawing any line. Got it? When you want turtle will move without drawing anything, then you use PU. PU means pen up command. It will move number of steps given with the FD or BK command. Okay. Now next we have pen down. Once the pen is up, अब दोबारा उसको down कैसे करेंगे? तो for that we have PD. PD is pen down. Pen down command is used to put the pen down. Okay. Now we have PE. PE is pen erase. If you have drawn something and you want to erase it, for that you have PE, pen erase command. Okay. It will erase the line or whatever you write after that, backward, forward. ठीक है? It will erase that much line. Now again, अब पेन हमारा इरेजर बन गया, तो अगेन वी वांट टू कम बैक विद द नॉर्मल as a normal pen, then we use PPT. PPT is the PPT will make it to the normal position. Okay, make it normal. Okay, I think these are the pen commands. See it one more time. PU, just read this. PU, lift the turtle up so that it moves number of steps. Then PD, pen down, and then PE, pen erase, and then PPT, pen paint. Okay, PE, pen erase. Now we have PPT for pen paint. Okay, students. Okay children, I think that's all for today. Read this chapter and keep practicing. Have a nice day. Take care.